Shows our cameras online. And there I am. Look at me. Hey, that's a nice picture. Today I have a new smart security camera, but this one is a little different. The fine folks at Wansview sent me this W9 home security camera, and as you can see, this is much different than the other security cameras I normally do on my channel, as this one looks very professional, like it should be outside of a business. It looks way different than what I'm used to dealing with. So for me, I like it because it's different, and I always like being different. Now, as always, we're gonna unbox this, and then we'll get it set up on the Wi-Fi, and then I'm probably gonna try to find a spot somewhere outside to mount it so you can see it in action mounted. And then of course in another 2 to 3 weeks, once I've had this set up and used it for a while, I'll review the Wansview W9 home security camera. So let's get right into the unboxing and the setup. Make sure you click that like button for me, click subscribe. I don't have any Indulge merch on today because I'm doing laundry today, but indulge in your life at indulgeclothing.com for the merch. Now let's get into the Wansview W9 unboxing and setup. This is a Wansview W9 1080p wireless pan and tilt outdoor camera. Just a little bit of info of what's in the box: mounting kit, antenna, power adapter, and the actual device. This is showing off some of their other cameras as well on the side. They're the same picture on that side, where you can get the Wansview app on the Play Store and the Google Store. And so I guess let's open this thing on up. That is super helpful. A sticker that you can put on the wall so you know exactly where to drill your holes. Ingenious. Why doesn't every company do that? The quick installation guide for this camera. It passed on 4/20/2021. So what do we got here? Whoa. We got an Ethernet cable. What is that for? Mounting screws and anchors. USB power brick. This is USB powered. Wow, this thing is much bigger than it seems. More mounting screws and your antenna. So, nothing else in the box. Wow, it's made to go this way, like so. The little antenna goes up top. Now what I find interesting is they included an Ethernet cable. Even says network patch cable in there. And on the back here, there's a little adapter where you can plug in a network cable. Very, very nice. Alright, well that will do it for the W9 Wansview unboxing. Now we will get this thing set up and connected so we can test it out some. We will reset real quick. We'll download their app and get this thing plugged into power. Alright, so first things first, let's actually see about how long this power cable is. Twist tie is pretty long in itself. Alright, let's see what we got here. Now, I didn't use a measuring stick or anything, but I was able to lift this up over my head and come about halfway down. So I would guesstimate this has about a 10-foot cable. Now they do give you an included USB power brick, so we're going to plug that up, and then we'll take our power brick and plug it into the power. And we'll take our wireless antenna and screw it to the top. Bingo, like so. Ooh. Alright, now we're going to need the Wansview app, and of course in their instructions they give you a barcode here to scan for the Google Play Store or Apple Store. And then this is the app you'll need, the Wansview Cloud. We'll go ahead and install this app. And then of course once the app installs, you'll need to create you an account so you'll know what to do there. Now we'll open up our Wansview Cloud, give it the access it needs, view your home anytime, anywhere, secure and convenient cloud storage, professional security, protects your privacy. Alright, so I'm going to have to create an account. Looks like you can actually sign in with Google, so I like that. So we will sign up and make us an account real quick. And just an FYI for some people, my verification code went into your spam, so check there if you don't see one. Alright, now that we're signed into our app, this is right on the home screen, alerts, 30-day trial of the cloud. We're just going to select add device, and then it's asking us what kind of camera we have. Wow, they have a lot of different choices there. We're going to select the W9 outdoor camera, and then we have the option of QR code, Wi-Fi connection by soft AP, or connection by Ethernet cable. So that explains what the Ethernet cable is for. I doubt it is PoE. I'm going to try to verify. If I can, I'll pop it up right here. I did actually reach out to the folks at Wansview that sent me this product, and they informed me that the Ethernet port is not PoE, so you do have to have it plugged in with power with the USB cable. But if your Wi-Fi will not reach and you run a cable there, you can use the Ethernet port as your internet connection to the camera over Wi-Fi, which truthfully I think is a great thing, because sometimes outside your Wi-Fi connection isn't nearly as good. We're going to do Wi-Fi connection by QR code. Check if your camera's indicator is flashing blue and red alternatively. Please confirm the power is on. Looks like to get to that, I'm going to have to turn this, bada bing, and it is. You can see it's flashing blue and red. And look at that, it even takes a micro SD card. That is very surprising for an outdoor camera like this. I mean, I love it. I think SD cards are the way to go. So, we're flashing, use our location, sure, while using the app. Alright, that's fine. Put in our Wi-Fi password.
Please point the QR code towards the camera lens and wait for the scan.
Oh.
QR code scan is successful.
Nice.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi.
The Wi-Fi. I like how it said that. Let me see if I can find us a SD card to pop in.
Wi-Fi is connected.
Very nice camera. The speaker's also very loud.
The pairing is successful. You can start using the camera now.
Look at that. I even found me a little Kingston's
The
8
pairing
gigabyte.
is successful. You can start using the camera now.
And you can even see it showed up here. So we're going to name this pool camera, because I'm going to put it right outside where our pool would be. There we go. 30-day trial with the cloud. Shows our cameras online. And there I am. Look at me. Hey! That's a nice picture. And there doesn't seem to be too much lag or anything. Nice, nice. I really dig this. That basically does it for the setup. Let's pop in this little SD card here. And then this nice thick piece of rubber seems to keep everything nice and waterproof. And also this will be mainly turned up, so water wouldn't really be able to get in anyway. Alright, well that does it for the Wansview W9 unboxing and setup video. Now, as I mentioned, I'm going to take this outside. I'm going to put it out back by my pool. Well, not by my pool. I don't have a pool yet, but I plan to put a pool out there, like right where this will be mounted. I'll test this camera out for a while. I'll come back in about 3 weeks, and we'll go more in depth with the camera app, as well as seeing how that SD card support works, and even some of the cloud storage. I can activate the trial, see how the cloud storage works, and let you know how much time you get. But this is just the unboxing and setup. The setup's very straightforward. Honestly, this feels like a great security camera. And plus, it has an Ethernet option, which you don't see a lot. Personally, I really like that. I am not a fan of Wi-Fi. Once we remodel here, there will be network cables ran to every room, because I like my Xboxes and my Chromecast and my TVs to be physically cabled, not wireless. Cameras, don't necessarily matter, but I like other stuff hardwired. So that'll do it for this video. Hopefully you've liked the Wansview W9 unboxing and setup video. Like I said, make sure you click that subscribe button below so you can check out the review coming in a couple of weeks. And that'll do it for this one. Click that like button, click subscribe. Indulge in your life at indulgeclothing.com for the merch. Hair looks crazy, maybe I should cut it. And I'll see you all in the next one. Deuces.